In this video, I'll show you how to enable crossplay in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. All you have to do is launch the game, and then you should get to the Call of Duty homepage, and then from here choose Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Now once you choose that, simply press the menu button on your controller, and then use your R1 or the L1 button and navigate to the settings wheel icon, and then scroll down and select Account and Network. Now within the account and network settings, you should see three options that you can enable crossplay for. So there's the multiplayer unranked, there's multiplayer ranked, and also there's Warzone ranked. So if you want to enable crossplay, simply choose the option that you'd like. So let's say if you want to enable crossplay for multiplayer unranked, select it. And then you should either choose on, or you can choose on into brackets console only. So also you can repeat the same for the multiplayer ranked crossplay. So select that, then you can choose either to enable on, or you can choose to enable on into brackets console only. And you should see a brief description on your right side of what each option is all about. And also you can repeat the same process for Warzone ranked. You can simply select on, and that should enable crossplay across multiplayer and Warzone game modes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.